Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's your boy Kanaji. How's it, guys? Everybody is we're just asking the people, can you name 5 countries in Africa? Is that easy? Somalia, Ethiopia, Kenya, South Africa, Mozambique. Hey, hello my friend. How are you? All right. Ismail. No, your name is Ismail.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you tell me how many countries in Africa?
Mozambique, Swaziland, Zimbabwe, Maputo, and Ghana, also Uganda, Kenya, Zimbabwe.
Hey, hello. What's your name?
Bongani.
Bongani. Okay, how many countries in Africa?
Zimbabwe,
Zimbabwe, Malawi, Kenya, Tanzania,
South Africa, Swaziland, Ghana, Malawi,
Egypt.
Hey, hello my friend, how are you?
I'm alright, my friend, and yourself?
Sure. What's your name?
My name is Kotane, the boy that is always, dressing nice and looking fresh. Everything, you know what I'm saying, my man.
Okay, can you tell me how many countries are in Africa?
How many countries you want me to tell you?
Yeah.
You how many you want? I must tell you 5.
Yeah, 5 even is fine.
Okay, 5 is okay. There is Malawi, Ghana, Asia, China, and the 5th one is Swaziland.
Hello guys, how's it? What's your name?
Hey, see for my man.
And what's your name?
Brazil.
Basil, what's your name?
Jonah.
Okay, can you tell me how many countries in Africa?
Okay, I think it's 10.
10, okay, can you tell me that goes 10?
Okay, Japan. Yeah, Japan, my man.
Japan, okay, Japan.
Okay, Japan one. Mozambique. Okay, Switzerland. Senegal. Senegal. I'm not like Senegal.
You don't like Senegal? Go on.
Lesotho, Botswana, Malawi, Zimbabwe.
Oh.
Yeah.
Jamaica. Hey, boss, Savon. What's your name?
I'm Daud.
You're Daud. Okay, can you tell me 5 countries? I mean, how many countries in Africa? Plus or minus? Plus or minus?
Lot of countries, 52.
Oh, 52. Okay, can you tell me 5 of it?
Yeah.
Just 5.
South Africa,
South
Malawi,
Africa.
Zimbabwe, Zambia, Mozambique, Zimbabwe.
Oh, so. Hola, man. How are you? Lawrence, you? Chapalan. Okay, can you tell me how many countries in Africa? Can you tell me that city? 12. Okay, can you tell me 5 of it?
Yeah.
5. Can you tell me 5?
5.
Yeah, 5 countries.
Oh, 5 countries.
Yeah, in Africa.
5 countries
Yeah.
in Africa.
Yeah. Can you tell me 5? The names?
Maputo, Swaziland, Mpumalanga,
And you?
Bedan,
Tonton. Mayflower. And you can tell me 5 countries in Africa?
In Africa,
Yeah.
South Africa, Ghana, Malawi, Maputo, Zimbabwe.
Thank you. Hello, Matala. Unjan. Alright. And how many countries in Africa?
Mozambique, Maputo, Swaziland, South Africa,
Nigeria. Zululand.
Sutu.
Hey, hello, my friend. How are you?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
My name is
Musa.
Yeah.
Oh, and how many countries in Africa? Plus and minus?
I think 15.
52. Okay, can you tell me maybe 6 of them?
South Africa, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, Malawi, Kenya,
Ethiopia.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, it's like that.
Yeah.
You clever, man. Hey, my name is Nasir. What's your name?
My name is Aaron.
Harun. Can you tell me 10 countries in Africa?
For African.
Yeah, African country 10.
For China.
China is that. Okay, go.
For Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe,
Zambia.
Zambia,
Tanzania.
Tanzania,
Mozambique. Ghana. Congo.
Almost there.
Nigeria. Ethiopia. And
No, my country. Can you add my country?
I don't know for
My country. Look at me first. Can you guess my country?
your country.
Yeah, I'm also African.
Uganda.
Yeah,
Uganda.
yeah.
What?
Somalia.
Yeah,
Somalia.
Hey, my friend. What's your name?
My name is Daud.
Can you tell me 5 countries in Africa?
Malawi, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Congo, Nigeria.
It's almost 5. You clever man. Where you from?
From Malawi.
Oh, Malawi, that's why. Okay, sure, man. I'm here with my friend. What's your name, brother?
Ismail Patwar.
Ismail Patwar.
Yeah.
You Indian?
Yes.
Okay, I'm not Indian. Look here. Can you tell me 5 countries in Africa?
Zimbabwe, Botswana, Swaziland, Tunisia, Angola.
So well. Where you from, man?
I come from South Africa.
Oh, you're South African.
Yeah.
Huh? Okay, can you greet with your language here?
Sanibonani njani?
Yaphila khona. Botswana?
Start afresh.
Yeah.
Botswana, Lesotho,
Zimbabwe,
Nigeria.
Bangladesh. Bangladesh not in Africa. Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Hello, my friend. What's your name?
My name is Sharif.
Sharif.
Yes.
Oh, mashallah, you're Muslim.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you. How many countries in Africa?
In Africa,
Yeah.
I know the 5 countries.
You know only 5?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me that 5?
Mozambique, Malawi, Ethiopia, South Africa, Tanzania.
Oh, that's 5. Okay, can you guess what country I'm from?
Yeah?
Can you guess where I'm from?
You?
Yeah.
I think you are from Somalia.
No,
Yeah, can't.
Nelspruit,
Uh-huh.
Durban,
Uh-huh.
Pretoria,
Uh-huh.
Limpopo,
Yeah. Cape Town.
Cape Town, and that's one side.
I'm here with my friend. How are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
Spongile.
Oh, it's Pongile. How many countries in Africa?
15.
Okay, can you tell me 5 of it?
South Africa, Canada, and Senegal. No, America, and Brazil.
I'm asking you African. In America.
America is not Africa yet.
Yeah.
South Africa.
Subscribe, share, and like.
Thank you. Subscribe, share, and like.